Have you ever wondered why your head feels strangely heavy after a day of simple social interactions? A harmless excuse at work. Someone asks, "Did you finish the task?" And you answer quickly, "Almost." We think these words are free, but the more you protect yourself with tiny distortions of the truth, the more exhausted you become. By the evening, your mind is tired, not from the work you did, but from the hidden performance you were forced to maintain all day. Close your eyes for a moment. Can you feel the weight of the words you had to carry all day? When was the last time you felt truly light after a conversation? From a systems perspective, the brain functions more efficiently when information is consistent. When you tell the truth, neural processing becomes coherent. But the moment you distort reality, the brain generates two conflicting streams of information. This creates internal conflict, where multiple processes compete for attention and energy. This is a form of biological cause and effect. Stress hormones like cortisol increase, preparing the body for a perceived threat. Imagine your energy as a finite battery. Every small distortion is a silent leak, draining your vitality before the day even ends. Deep inside the brain, the amygdala interprets this conflict as a potential threat to your safety. It doesn't matter if the lie is small. Your body reacts as if you are facing a potential threat, even if that threat is only social. Heart rate rises, muscles tighten, and your system shifts into a state of high alert. You waste the energy. That should be used for healing and creativity. Ask yourself, is fitting in worth the cost of your biological peace? Your cells are listening to every word you speak. When you feel the impulse to distort reality, pause for 3 seconds. Take a slow, deep breath. Now, use the power of directed intention. Command your mind with single-mindedness. I must be honest. I will not lie. Feel the vibration of these words moving through your chest, Lying is harmful to myself and harmful to others. With every breath out, release the vocal performance. Let the truth be your sanctuary. This is not just a thought. It is a practice of constant reminding, making honesty your default setting. By repeating this command, you reduce internal conflict and allow the brain to return to a stable state. Honesty is the ultimate maintenance for your biological system. You choose truth, not for others, but because your mind deserves to be light and your body deserves to be truly restored. When you are honest, you reduce internal friction and regain cognitive clarity. Return to stillness. Return to clarity. Return to silent mastery.